We are the FPE students of MSU Jensen. Of course!
I'm an FPE student. Of course, I acknowledge and respect all of our differences.
May pa kasi kung anong manggod ng libak dayon.
Ay, wala mong gusto na FPE. I'm an FPE student. Of course, I do fact-checking. Ha? Pag sure, oy, TikTok maging mong source.
I'm an FPE student. Of course, kilala na ako si Johan Galtong.
Nakilala lang man mo siya sa quiz.
At least na answer.
I'm an FPE student. Of course, we believe everyone's feelings are valid.
Sabi nila,
Sorry.
Why are you saying sorry when I'm the one who bumped into you?
The fact that you also got hurt is enough reason to acknowledge, at least be a simple apology. Again, all feelings are valid, but remember, not all behaviors are.
Ano English man ay mo?
Kala ko ba respect our differences?
I am an FPE student. Of course, I learned how to appreciate and love other people despite our religious differences.
Bantog ra mga gusto kag Muslim.
Alangan, gwapo magud kaayo siya. Nya hawad kaayo mag-basketball.
Sure, oy.
I'm an FPE student. Of course, I choose to handle conflicts with gentle words instead of guns and swords.
Malumpag man ganito. Agay.
I am an FPE student. Of course, I reconcile in order to heal.
Ha, mobalos man gani ka if dili pansinon.
I am an FPE student. Of course, I promote peaceful, diverse, and inclusive community.
Palaway man ganito.
Depende pag-unahan.
I am an FPE student. Of course, I don't accept everything just to avoid conflict. I know how to accommodate and compromise kaya.
Lo, murag sa exam lagi na, Jed.
Nga nang maisip.
I am an FPE 101 student. Of course, I combat all of my negative and painful thoughts with prayers and a positive mantra. Kaya mo to, Wimpy. Padayon.
We are FPE students. Of course, Mami Kalinaw.
Sure, oy, nada may kalinaw.